Welcome students, we will be discussing here some important problems on maxima and minima. In previous videos we have already discussed introductory part of maxima minima, first derivative test as well as second derivative test, and we have done some exercises also. Here we will see most important questions. So let us start with this question. Prove that the area of a right triangle of a given hypotenuse is maximum. You note this word maximum when the triangle is isosceles triangle. So suppose this is a right angle triangle A, B and C. Suppose height is x and hypotenuse is h. H is given hypotenuse. So this h is given and we suppose height is x. So this side AB can be written as root over h square minus x square. Now we have to see that area of the triangle will be maximum when triangle is isosceles triangle. So we have to show here that AB and BC, both the sides are having of same length. So x is equal to this much. We have to prove it. So area of this triangle is half into base into height. So we can write half x root over h square minus x square. Let us denote it with A, area. So therefore dA by dx, first function derivative of second function, its derivative will be into minus 2x upon 2 root over h square minus x square. So this is first function derivative of second function plus second function root over h square minus x square and derivative of x is 1. Let us simplify it. Here 2 will be cancelled out. So this is equal to half minus x square plus h square minus x square by root over h square minus x square, and this is equal to half h square minus 2x square upon root over h square minus x square. Now second order derivative d2a upon dx square. So we can differentiate it with the help of quotient rule. So denominator root over h square minus x square into derivative of numerator. Derivative of numerator is this derivative will be 0 and this derivative will be minus 4x. 0 minus 4x. So this is denominator, derivative of numerator, minus numerator h square minus 2x square into derivative of denominator, half h square minus x square whole to the power minus half into minus 2x divided by denominator whole square h square minus x square. Now let us simplify it. So after simplification it will be, you see here this is h square minus x square to the power minus half, or we can write it like this also for sake of simplicity. So into 1 by root over h square minus x square. We can write in this form also. Now let us simplify it. So this will be, this 2 will be cancel out here. So this is h square minus x square minus 4x, and here we are getting minus h square minus 2x square into minus x divided by h square minus x square whole to the power 3 by 2, because power 1 is here and here in denominator this is power half, so power will be 3 by 2. Further we can write this is half, simplify it, minus 4x h square plus 4x cube, this is 4x cube, this minus into minus becomes plus, so plus x h square, and it becomes minus 2x cube, minus 2x cube divided by h square minus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. So this becomes now, this is equal to half minus 4sx square plus 2x cube. So it becomes 2x cube minus 3xh square, 3xh square upon h square minus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. This is second derivative, second order derivative, d2a upon dx square. Now what should be the next step? Now we have to find out the point of minimum or point of maximum. So now let us put dA by dx is equal to 0. So from here this will be equal to 0. This implies half root over h square minus 2x square upon root over h square minus x square. This is equal to 0. So this gives, therefore h square is equal to 2x square, and therefore x is equal to h by root 2. This is length of perpendicular, h by root 2. Now later on we will try to show that this base will also be h by root 2. Then it will be proved that right triangle must be isosceles triangle. Now we have to put this value, maybe point of maximum or point of minimum, we have to put this value in second order derivative. So whenever you will put this value in this second order derivative, we find that d2a by dx square x is equal to h by root 2 will get, this is less than 0. So if second order derivative, I hope you can solve this after putting this x here in this expression d2a by dx square, and you can simplify it. So we will get a value of d2a by dx square which will be smaller than 0. That will be a negative number. From here you will get it, negative number. So here second order derivative d2a upon dx square at x is equal to h by root 2 is less than 0. So on the basis of second derivative test, this function has maximum value at x is equal to h by root 2. Here h by root 2, this is point of maximum. Here right angle triangle has maximum area at x is equal to h by root 2, since second order derivative is negative. So now let us find out length of base. here this is the value of x, so we can suppose that this is length of BC. Now length of AB we can evaluate here. AB is root over h square minus x square, so root over h square minus x square. X square means h square by 2. This is equal to root over h square by 2, and this is h by root 2. So BC and AB both are equal, and this is equal to h by root 2. So now it has been proved that this right triangle is isosceles triangle if its area is maximum. Proved. So this is very important question, and I hope that now it is clear. So dear students, I hope this is clear to you, and I will suggest you to do some more practices to command over this topic. And I hope you might be getting benefits from my videos. So please subscribe my channel IQ Learning, and please share these videos with your friends also. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.